What if your sunglasses could record 4K video, translate languages, answer calls, and even use AI? Today, we're checking out the 2026 new smart AI glasses. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today we're reviewing the brand new smart AI glasses featuring an 8-megapixel camera, AI functions, translation support, Bluetooth calling, and waterproof design. Let's see if these futuristic glasses are actually useful or just another tech gimmick. First impression? These glasses look surprisingly normal. Stylish sunglasses design, lightweight at only 41 grams, TR90 flexible frame material, comfortable for long-term use. Unlike bulky smart gadgets, these actually look wearable in daily life. Now here's where things get interesting. These AI glasses support AI voice assistant features, Wi-Fi translation functions, Bluetooth phone calls, wireless audio playback, and hands-free voice interaction. They also support AI chat functions inspired by modern assistants like ChatGPT-style interaction. For travelers and multitaskers, that's a pretty cool combination. The glasses include an 8-megapixel camera module capable of recording HD video. Features include video recording, anti-shake stabilization, hands-free POV shooting, and quick photo capture. This makes them useful for outdoor activities, walking vlogs, first-person recording, and travel moments. The Bluetooth 5.4 connection feels stable and responsive. Listening time, around 7 hours. Talk time, around 4 hours. Charging time, about 2 hours. The open-ear audio design also lets you stay aware of your surroundings while listening to music or taking calls. These glasses come with an IP65 waterproof rating. That means they can handle sweat, light rain, outdoor use. Perfect for sports, travel, commuting, or daily tech use. In real-world use, the glasses feel more like a smart lifestyle gadget than a replacement for your phone. They're especially useful for travelers, tech lovers, outdoor creators, casual hands-free recording, and music and call convenience. And the hidden camera design gives them a futuristic feel. So, are these smart AI glasses worth buying? Lightweight and stylish, AI and translation features, Bluetooth calling and music, waterproof and travel-friendly, hands-free camera recording. But camera quality is not cinema level. Battery life depends heavily on usage. Some AI functions may rely on companion apps. Still, for a futuristic wearable gadget, these are surprisingly feature-packed. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.